Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here, tutoring Draw Amethyst from Steven Universe. So let's get started. To draw a cute amethyst, let's start by drawing her eye. So I'm going to start right here with a high curve. So nice and round. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. So now that I have this shape in, I'm going to come inside and draw an oval, kind of like in the center. And I'll just put in a highlight right here and shade everything else in. There. And I'm just going to come to the top of this curve right here and just thicken it up slightly, just to anchor the eye a little bit more. Very subtle, but I just feel like it needs it. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come right next to this eye and draw her nose. So let's say about right here, we're just going to draw this little curve right next to her eye. And then we're going to come in right here and just add in 2 of these little slanted dots. Shapes, I mean. And then now that we have that, we need to draw her lips. So right under that, I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve. And then in the center of that, I'm going to come down more, say about right here. And we're just going to draw 2 curves coming out. Very full lips. And then at the bottom, 1 more curve just to finish it up. There. Okay, so we have her lips in. And so now that we have that, let's come back up above her eye. And I'll say about right here, not the center, just a little bit off center. I'm going to go up to about right here, give myself a point. And from here, I'm going to draw this curve for her hair. So it's going to come down, it's going to hit the nose, and then it's going to go around the mouth and curve in about right there. And then we're just going to come out with a strand and then another one coming down. So I'm just going to stop there. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to curve really close to her eye and down to about right there. And then kind of like where this point is, we're going to come out. And about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw her face. So I'm going to come down with a curve. Just going to curve around. And let's see here. I'm just going to aim to say about right here, kind of like where her eye is, right underneath. And then I'm going to stop about right there. So that's kind of like, I'm just going to use that as my guide. And then I'm going to give her a little neck right here. Then just imagine the other eye is about right there. And then we're going to come down, give yourself a point, and that's where the other side of her neck will be. And then we're just going to finish it off with a curve. So whatever space. So let's bring this down a little bit more and curve up. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and I'll finish the rest of her hair later. Let's draw her body. Since we're down here, we're going to go up right here for her shoulder. It's going to curve out on both sides. There, we're drawing these 2 curves, and then from there we're going to, let's see here, let's come about right here. I'll give myself these 2 points so it's the same on both sides, and we're going to come down with a curve. So let's see here, just using my Sharpie here, I'm going to come down. So this is going to be kind of like her top. We're going to do a little bit erasing later, but I think it's a little bit easier to draw it this way. We're going to bring this down. I just want to draw this kind of curve right here for her top and then connect it. To about right there. Then for some details, let's come back, and in here we're going to draw a strap coming down and going up right about here, and then this one we can finish it off. There's this one strap there, and then in the center area I'm going to draw this curve right in here. There. Okay, so now that we have our top in, let's come back to about right here. Just going to draw a small curve to start the bottom. But before we do that, let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's draw her arms. So let's bring this out and down, and then we're going to have her arms come about right here. Very thick arms. And then we're going to bend them, so about right here. Put in another curve, and this is going to be the elbow about right there. Then bring it down. So just trying to build a shape right here for her arm. And so in this space, we know this is where her hip is. I'm going to stop right here. We need to draw some fingers. So we're going to come out with a curve. And I'm going to curve 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just kind of coming down at an angle. Whatever space I have left, I'll finish it up. And imagine this is coming through. So right about here, it's going to pop out. So for the details in here, let's bring this in. And then right here, we're going to add these curves to make it look like fingers. 1, 2, 3, and then a little one right here. There. Okay. And then let's finish this strap that comes off to the side. So this is going to continue out. And then the strap right here comes in. So then we'll do some erasing right there later on. So right here, it shouldn't connect. Okay, so now let's do the same thing on the other side. We're going to drag this across about right here. Once again, same thing. We're going to curve it down. And then the fingers are going to start same thing. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming down at an angle. Sticking up her arm. So about right there, elbow, and then bring it in. About right there. And then this is going to continue down. So whatever space you have. And then once again, curve and curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back down to the center. So below the hands, let's come down to say about right here in the middle. I'm just going to give myself a little line right here. And this is where her legs are going to start. So let's say about here and here. And let's come back to where her fingers are. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down to this point. And same thing here. And draw a curve for the bottom. And so then let's work on this leg. We're going to bring this out. So 1, bring this down to her thigh, then one more level, all the way down, a little bit longer. Then bring this out. And then we're going to just pop this part out for her feet. And connect. There, so there's that shape we want to create. And then about right here, you can cut it off for her shoes. And so same thing on this side. Ball right there. Here and out. There, and so once again, same thing for her shoe. And of course, we need to put in a star right here at her knee. So about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a star. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can finally work on her hair. So let's go up. So we're going to find this point, just go up, say about right here. Just give myself a point approximately. And I'm going to bring down a curve. And then this side is going to go up and around. All right, there to create this curve. So let's work on this side. I'm going to come down and in. So I'm just kind of following her hair. And it's going to come down really long, all the way to the bottom, to about right here. Come in, another one towards her foot, and another strand here. And then this side, just going to come out. Down. And another one. And then part of it's going to show here. So this is all going to connect back to the bottom here. And connect it so that it's all one big piece, right? And I think there's like maybe two curves right here for some details, I believe. And I think that is pretty much it. And I'll just add a heart right here to make her my Just So Cute Amethyst from Steven Universe. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.